like 1 o'clock in the morning where like no one's watching.
No. Hey guys!
No, I don't want to look at your box. I don't want to look at the box.
Well, hey guys, it's Barnacle Girl.
You like SpongeBob Barnacle Boy? That's my name, Papa. You like it?
Compose yourself there, Algie.
Well, okay, the butt munch over here hiding is David.
I laid down for 2 seconds.
Okay, today we have a mystery box.
I can't take this easy. Today we have a mystery box here with some nice craftsmanship. Right here is beautiful artwork. Now it's not showing the address. It's like...
If it was something important, then I guarantee you, bro.
Look how cute! There's a freaking giraffe in here.
Was that it?
There's a freaking no. There's more. There's a freaking giraffe.
Was that it?
What's his name? This is Safari.
Safari.
My giraffe. It's cute. Come
It
on.
was like their child's toy, and then now she's like 18.
I got some earrings for $3.90. Gorgeous.
Like I'm saying, like I feel like they're giving me like all the hand-me-downs.
Like we didn't want this.
Like
We didn't want this no more.
this is my daughter's toy when she was 7. She's now 15.
Oh, these are actually okay. These ones are cute. These are little hoop earrings. I don't know about those red ones, but these ones are cute. I like these ones. You can't even see my address. Oh, there's more. Oh, I got even bigger hoop earrings. Nice, nice.
How big are the hoops? Do they keep upgrading?
All right, all right, all
I want
right.
to see if they keep going.
There's more stuff in here. I told you this was not gonna be a waste. I had faith. There's bubble wrap. There's a card of some sorts. I had faith in this box. They kept telling me that I was just like putting the standards way up here.
What
And I was
is
like,
that?
I'm gonna be excited. All I want. What is this?
He gave me a baseball card.
It's genuine merchandise. I don't know if this is a good one or not, but baseball card. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. That's bubble wrap. We got a box. We got a box. You ready for this? You ready? What is this? What is this?
And I bubble wrap. Yeah.
Is that a pack of baseball? It's basketball
I got
cards.
all them basketball cards. You need basketball cards? Hit me up. I got every kind you want.
I wanna
Do
see
you need
who's
us?
in
You
there.
want to start your collection?
I want to see who's in here now.
There's a note in here. Well, that's my box. I appreciate the nice drawing on the back. I got a promo code. Whoa! Okay.
Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy. We have opened our own website. We see you are a YouTuber, so we'd like to invite you to promote our site. In exchange, your subscribers will get a 10% off discount with any purchase. See back for details. Website, mysteryboxesonline.com. Promo code.
Barnacle. That's so wonderful. I love that.
Check it out. Contact us if you want us to feature your video of you opening our box. Thanks.
This is so cool. Okay, guys, you see right here? Barnacle, 10% off. You will get 10% off their website for these very nice people. You know,
Dave, I can't pronounce that.
I like my box. And you know, I will find a good home for these. You see?
I got a good home.
I like the hoops. The hoops are cute. And this I will find a good home for. And this baseball card, it's genuine. Nice.
It's 50 boys.
So how cute is this little giraffe? Because y'all are like, you're wasting your money. Why would you do this? And I don't think I wasted my money.
All right, hold on. Let's calculate this here. Hold on, hold this. I'm gonna guess that's like 50
I
cents.
say you guys should get a mystery box. These people are very kind and very nice, and I enjoyed this experience. And you get a promo code, guys.
Birthday's October 20th.
Well, I give it all the thumbs up. All right.
She's popping the bubble.
Oh, she's popping the bubble wrap?
She's popping the bubble wrap.
All right. Well,
I like popping
was a good purchase, you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a good day, night, or evening, or whatever it is, wherever you are. I hope you had fun watching this. And get yourself a mystery box, guys, from these nice, kind people.
They gave you a promo code.
You know how cool that is? I'm so excited. Alright, bye.
They give her a promo code.